In this video, I will show you how you can remove your end-to-end encryption in Facebook Messenger. But there is a bad effect of this on your messages. I will tell you later. So first of all, go to your Messenger. Now, let's say I am opening any chat. You can see there's a mention messages and calls are secured with end-to-end encryption. Now, if you want to remove this end-to-end encryption in your messenger, what will you do and what's that effect that I was talking about? So open your setting on top right side, click on setting icon. Here, click on privacy. Now, the end-to-end encrypted chats, there is an option, second option, login management, and third option, secure storage. So this is the impact secure storage. When you remove your end-to-end encryption, your storage will not be secure more. So open your secure storage. Now, delete and turn off secure storage. You can see there is an option called delete and turn off secure storage. Click on this. When you click on this, then there is option delete and turn off secure storage. Your end-to-end encrypted messages would not be backed up. You cannot restore these messages if you lose this device. So this is the impact that I was talking about. When you remove your end-to-end encryption, then your messages would not be restored if you want to restore again. So if you go to click on continue, your end-to-end encryption will be removed, but your messages again would not be restored. So that is the bad impact.